Are you tired of guessing which filler or stabilizer to use for your polymer formulations? Do you want to take your polymer developments to the next level? Then look no further than our online training, Selection of Fillers and Stabilizers for Achieving Polymer Perfection and Next Level Developments. In this online training, the industry expert will give you the knowledge and expertise that you need to confidently select the right filler and stabilizer for your polymer formulation developments. You'll learn about the properties and characteristics of different types of fillers and stabilizers, as well as how to choose the best option for your unique applications. During the online training, expert will also cover important topics such as characterization and testing, and optimizing your polymer formulations for improved performance. By attending this online training, you'll gain a competitive edge in the polymer industry and be able to develop high-performing products that meet even the most complex requirements. And with our convenient online format, you can participate from anywhere in the world. Whether you're an experienced professional or new to the field, this training will help you take your skills to the next level and achieve success in polymer development. Don't miss out. Register today to gain the expertise you need for polymer perfection and next-level developments. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.